Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a custom paper size for plotting in AutoCAD. This is extremely useful when you're working with non-standard sheet sizes, custom title blocks, banners, or client-specific drawing formats. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create and use a custom paper size for PDF exports and printing. To get started, open your AutoCAD drawing and switch to the Layout tab where you want to plot your drawing. Next, type Plot and press Enter, or simply press Ctrl-P to open the Plot dialog box. In the Printer Plotter section, select the plotter you want to use. If you're creating PDFs, choose DWG to PDF.PC3. If you're using a physical printer, select the appropriate printer from the list. Now, click the Properties button next to the selected plotter. This will open the Plotter Configuration Editor. Inside the Plotter Configuration Editor, look for the Device and Document Settings tab on the left side. Expand the User-Defined Paper Sizes and Calibration section by clicking the plus sign next to it. Then, click Custom Paper Sizes. On the right side, click the Add button to launch the Custom Paper Size wizard. The wizard will guide you through the process of creating your custom paper size. Click Next on the welcome screen. Now choose Start from Scratch and click Next. Now enter the width and height of your desired paper size. For example, if you need a sheet that is 500 millimeters wide and 300 millimeters high, enter those values here. Make sure you're using the correct units for your project. Click Next. The wizard will now ask for printable area settings. In most cases, you can accept the default values unless you have specific printer requirements. Click Next again. Give your custom paper size a clear name that you can easily recognize later. For example, you might name it 500 by 300 custom sheet or project layout size. Click Next, then click Finish. After the wizard closes, click OK to save the changes to the plotter configuration. You'll now return to the Plot dialog box. Open the Paper Size drop-down menu and scroll through the list. You should see the custom paper size you just created. Select it. Next, choose your desired plot area, such as Layout, Window, or Extents. Make sure the plot scale is set correctly. If you're plotting from a layout, a scale of 1:1 is usually recommended. Now, click Preview to verify that your drawing fits properly on the custom sheet size. If everything looks good, close the preview window and click OK, or Plot. Choose a location to save your PDF or send the drawing directly to your printer. Your drawing will now be plotted using the custom paper size you created. Custom paper sizes are especially useful when standard sheet sizes don't match your project requirements. Once created, they remain available in that plotter configuration and can be reused for future drawings. And that's it. That's how to set up a custom paper size for plotting in AutoCAD. It's a simple process that gives you much more flexibility when printing and exporting drawings. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you in the next video.